I did this video last week on a food truck event, and I was walking around asking people if I could take pictures of them for free. I was using an app called Snappic, which allowed me to send pictures to their phone by text message, QR code, and also by airdrop. But mostly, I was using text message. This was faster.
Okay, just put the phone number and share. It'll be like in 2 seconds.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Nephew. Hey, smile for the camera, nephew.
I love it.
Yeah, so just put your phone number. You get it on your phone. All right.
Thank you.
You're
It
welcome.
was a very sunny day. I was using the Sony A7 IV, which has great dynamic range. And I think the photos came out looking nice. As you can see in some of them.
It looks nice.
Thank you.
So you want to by text like
text.
airdrop or QR code?
I can do QR code then.
QR code? Okay.
How did you do
All right. You want it to?
How did you like?
Wow, it's like a photo booth but mobile.
This is so
Yeah,
cute, Josie.
Yeah.
You're adorable.
Nice.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're
That's
welcome. Let me give you my card so you guys can check my Instagram and stuff.
Yeah, let's go.
I think I have a card.
That's awesome.
Yeah, great music and great food. It was a sunny day. Yeah, and I was using the Sony A7 IV, which has great dynamic range, so the sun wasn't a big issue.
Hello. Can I get you guys a free picture?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
She
yeah.
said no.
Yeah, take a picture.
All right.
You don't know.
Oh, you look cute.
You see it? I got my little afro puffs. That's all I gotta get my head.
So you can get it like by text message. Just put your phone number.
How much
You get
it costs?
Yeah. What?
How much it costs?
It's free. It's free.
Do you want me to put share?
Yeah. Share. Yeah. So
do you,
just check
do
your
you,
phone.
Do you do professional
Yeah.
videos and
Yeah.
shit like that?
Yeah.
You got a
Yeah.
business card on you?
Yeah, I do.
Facts. Let me get
Actually,
that.
you get a
Are
text.
you local?
Yeah, I'm from Fall River.
Okay, good.
So, actually, on your phone, you get the
My phone's in the car. Right?
yeah, you get the text message with my website and the photo.
Facts.
Yeah. So,
Facts.
but yeah, keep my card.
Right.
Make sure you guys send it to Catherine. She can put it in the newsletter. Jeremiah, look, meet up in the car.
Yeah.
Better.
All right, one more.
Jeremiah, look. Eileen, querida. Hi.
Here, everybody, cheese.
Thank you.
All right.
It's okay. It's the best that you're gonna get a video.
Yeah. So you want to try it?
Yes.
But, yeah.
It'll be alright. No worse than what Lewis
Just
said.
share. Yeah. And you can share with the rest of them.
Thank
Right.
you.
You're welcome. get you guys a free photo? Yeah? All right. Nice.
Oh, perfect.
All right, so you can get it by like airdrop, text message, QR code. Which one would you prefer? Text? Okay. Just put your number. And your chair. You will get it like in 2 seconds.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Hello. Can I get you guys a free photo? Sure. Yeah.
It's gonna be in the paper, or where's it gonna be?
Oh, it's free.
Oh, for us.
Yeah, for everybody. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, so cool.
Cool, came out good.
So you can get it like by text, by airdrop, QR code. Which one you prefer?
Thank you, QR code.
QR code. Okay. You want it too? All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello. Can I get you guys a free photo?
Sure.
Yeah.
Why not?
All right. Nice. All right, so you can get it by text message, airdrop, or QR code.
Do text, sure.
Text. All right,
Yeah.
just put your phone number.
Yeah, take that from me, sorry.
Yep, you'll get it in 2 seconds.
Appreciate you,
All
man.
right, you're
Thank
welcome. You're welcome. Have a good day. All right. Hello, can I give you a free picture?
What was that?
Can I get you a free photo?
Sure.
Yeah. All right, cool. You want to stand this way? Awesome.
Oh, awesome.
So you can get it by text, airdrop, or QR code.
Oh, that's cute. I like that.
So which one you prefer? Like text?
Do text?
Yeah. Just put your phone number.
Yeah.
Yeah. You'll get it in 2
Awesome.
seconds.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. You're welcome.
People love the idea, but some didn't like the picture
You guys like
be
a free
taken.
picture?
And
You sure? All right. You're welcome.
okay.
Hello. Can I get you guys a free picture? Nice. Let me go a little bit this way.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
So you can get it like text, airdrop, QR code. Which one? QR? Text? Okay, just put your phone number.
Thank you.
Yep. And you want it too?
Or she'll just send it to me.
Oh, yeah.
Thank
cool.
you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Here I'm playing with the contrast and saturation to get the faded look on the photos. Since I have to deliver them straight out of the camera, I wanted them to look as good as possible. By the way, I was using the creative style on camera. This app still doesn't have good integration with the Sony cameras. Yeah, it gives me a hard time to connect.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. So you can get it by text, airdrop, or QR code.
You do the text.
Text. All right. Just put your phone number and press share.
So what? Your phone plugs into the computer?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I was
It's like a photo
It's
booth.
not a computer. It's a camera.
Yeah, yeah. So it's like a regular photo booth, but now it's like mobile. Yeah. So can I get you guys a photo right there? Yeah? All right, cool. All right. Ah, awesome.
Be honest. Wow, look at us.
Yeah. So you can get it by text, airdrop, QR code, whichever you prefer. So let's do QR code. You just scan it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Over here. I can send it.
Got it? So you can just share with them. All right. Have a nice day. You're welcome.
Right, now it's time for me to try the food. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.